Hi everybody! Today I will be teaching you how to keep track of your monthly maintenance tasks quickly and easily. We're going to start by clicking Maintenance on the left website navigation menu, and then you will soon notice that a page will pop up over top of the existing screen, which will guide you through what tasks we have for that given month. This is the place where you can select which tasks you feel apply to your specific home by clicking the boxes below that said task. If a task has a red star by it, it means it's a mandatory task that we feel apply to every home. And then, once you feel as though you've selected all of the tasks you want to do that month, you just click the button that says Start Your Maintenance Tasks to get started. HomeManager will pre-populate every task that you've selected under To Do, so you can easily tell what is on your list to complete, while the Completed column lists all of the tasks that you've already completed for that month. The section that says View Previous Month Tasks allow homeowners to view all of the information from any previous month, in case there are any tasks homeowners forgot to do that specific month, or they just want to add notes to older tasks. The grid view is the default way of looking at your monthly tasks. It displays the tasks as tiles and lists them in two columns that are split in between To Do and Completed. And the list view is great because it makes it easier for homeowners to print out maintenance records and compacts tasks down for easy comparison. The tile labeled This Month is where you will be able to track how much you've saved by doing the tasks yourself. We also tell homeowners how much their home value will increase just by doing certain tasks. On that same tile, there are quick summaries of what types of tasks you will encounter that month, like safety, health, preventative maintenance, and energy saving. The monthly Toolbox gives homeowners quick access to printing out anything regarding the tasks. This is useful if you are hiring out maintenance tasks and you just want to be able to provide a list of what needs to be done. The Edit Task List section selects the pop-up that is shown at the beginning of every month, which allows homeowners to select or deselect anything they may have missed before. The Add Your Own Task button allows homeowners to create additional tasks that they would like to do within that month. Any task that is added by the homeowner themselves will show up as yellow instead of white, so it's easy to tell the difference. So when you're ready to start doing these tasks yourself, you just click whichever one you want to start first. Every task should have its own corresponding video, which helps run homeowners through the process of doing these tasks by themselves. There's going to be 4 toggle options at the very top of the tile: Task, Team, Recent Chat, and Message. Task will always be the default selection, but Team allows quick access to the list of your most trusted professionals. Recent Chat brings up the most recent conversation you are having with a professional on your home team. And lastly, Message displays every chat that you've had on the system. So, the DIY savings shows you how much you can save by completing the task yourself, and on that same tile we tell you a rough estimate on how long it will take you to complete the task. And Set a Reminder just gives homeowners the chance to schedule their own tasks accordingly for that month. The Owner's Manual is a suggestion to users about referencing their own owner's manuals to determine proper maintenance procedures. If you don't have the Owner's Manual, we have summarized what most manuals suggest for maintenance. And then the Postpone Task button gives homeowners the choice on putting specific tasks on the back burner for another date. But be warned, because postponing can lead to costly consequences. Every task will have its own description and why it is important to complete it. HomeManager utilizes 4 categories, which are safety, health, preventative maintenance, and energy efficiency, which we put together to help make it easier for homeowners to find out which issues they may want to prioritize. The tools and supplies required provides a list of what will be needed during that specific task. Task Steps lays out step-by-step of what needs to be done, and also includes corresponding tools and supplies for each step. Ask your home team a question is another area to quickly reach your professionals, whether that is asking them a question regarding a task or setting up an appointment for them to do the maintenance for you. The task can be done by provides homeowners with a list of professionals who can complete these tasks and an estimated cost to hire them. Then, at the top of the page, you will see a disclaimer which reminds homeowners to read through all of the task steps before starting anything. The Take Photo Records gives merit to what you've done and provides visual records in case you forget how to put something back together after taking it apart. The Add Notes section gives homeowners a space to add notes for any specific task, whether that's your own personal shopping list, what kind of paint you may have used, or just a note to your future self. Notes will always stay attached to tasks, so next year you will not have to worry about forgetting something. Lastly, once you've completed the task, hit Continue to Complete. You will then be prompted to answer a few questions like whether you did the task yourself, hired a pro, or both. This helps HomeManager compile more accurate numbers like DIY savings. Also, you have to put something in the DIY supply cost box, even if that number is just 0. Then, you have the option to upload any sort of receipts correlated to that specific task, which will auto-populate to receipts in the document section of our site. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support. See ya!